Are you ready to take your business to the next level with the power of AI? In this video, we'll be unveiling the top 10 must-have AI tools that are changing the game in the business world. Get ready to be amazed as we show you how these cutting-edge tools can revolutionize the way you work and bring your business to new heights. So sit back, relax, and join us as we unleash the power of AI. And for those who are just starting their journey with AI, don't worry. We made a beginner-friendly video about AI explaining the basics. Make sure to check it out if you're new to this topic. Number 1. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI-powered platform for generating copy and content. It uses advanced natural language and processing techniques to analyze existing content and generate new, high-quality content that matches the tone and style of the input material. Copy.ai can be used for a variety of tasks such as creating product descriptions, writing articles and blog posts, and generating social media updates. The platform aims to make it easy for marketers, content creators, and businesses to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently, without the need for extensive writing or editing. One of the key benefits of Copy.ai is its speed and efficiency. With its AI algorithms, you can generate high-quality content in minutes, saving you time and resources. This allows you to focus on other important tasks like promoting your brand, building relationships with your customers, and growing your business. Another advantage of Copy.ai is its versatility. It can be used for a wide range of content types, including blog posts, product descriptions, social media updates, and more. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes, regardless of their industry or niche. Copy.ai is also user-friendly and easy to use. Simply input your content needs and the platform will generate high-quality content that meets your requirements. And if you're not happy with the results, you can easily make changes and adjust the content until it meets your standards. Overall, Copy.ai is a powerful tool for businesses that want to produce high-quality content quickly and easily. With its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to save time and resources while still creating engaging and effective content. Number 2. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a super smart robot that can talk to you and answer questions. It's kind of like having a really knowledgeable friend who knows a lot about many things and can help you find information. But instead of a real person, ChatGPT is a computer program that was taught how to talk and understand by a lot of smart people. So now it can help you find information and answer questions just by talking to you. And the best part about ChatGPT is that it's always learning and improving. Every time it has a conversation with someone, it uses that information to become even better at understanding and responding to natural language text. This means that the more you talk to ChatGPT, the more accurate and helpful its responses will become. Another great thing about ChatGPT is that it's available 24/7, so you can talk to it whenever you want. Whether you're looking for information, need help with a problem, or just want to chat, ChatGPT is there to help. So if you're looking for a super smart, always available, AI-powered companion, give ChatGPT a try. You might be surprised at how much it can help you and how much fun it can be to talk to. Number 3. Murf.ai. Murf.ai is an AI-powered voice generator platform that allows users to easily convert text into lifelike speech. It uses advanced artificial intelligence technology and real people's voices to create studio-quality voiceovers in minutes. Whether you're creating a podcast, video, or professional presentation, Murf.ai provides a quick and convenient way to add a human voice to your content. With its versatile AI voice generator, you can generate speech that's both engaging and authentic, saving you time and resources in the content creation process. One of the key benefits of Murf.ai is its speed and efficiency. With its AI technology, you can quickly and easily convert text into high-quality speech, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. This makes it a great solution for businesses, content creators, and marketers who need to produce engaging and effective content in a fast and efficient manner. Another advantage of Murf.ai is its versatility. It can be used for a variety of content types, such as podcasts, videos, and professional presentations. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes, regardless of their industry or niche. Murf.ai also offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use, even for those with little to no technical experience. Simply input your text and the platform will generate high-quality speech that meets your requirements. And if you're not happy with the results, you can easily make changes and adjust the voice until it meets your standards. Overall, Murf.ai is a powerful tool for businesses that want to produce high-quality voice content quickly and easily. With its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to save time and resources while still creating engaging and effective voice content. Number 4. Superhuman.ai. Superhuman is an email management company that offers a fast and personalized email experience to users. Their main product is a web-based email client that promises to help users manage their email faster and more efficiently than traditional email clients. The platform uses artificial intelligence algorithms to prioritize messages, provide real-time notifications, and suggest quick replies to emails, among other features. Of which, one of the coolest features being the option to undo send emails, which is a really unique feature which you can almost find nowhere. Superhuman aims to revolutionize the way people manage their email and provide users with a more streamlined and efficient experience. It's targeted towards high-volume email users, such as business professionals and executives, who need to process a large number of emails on a daily basis. Number 5. Notion.ai. A lot of people may be already aware of the existence of Notion. Notion is an app made to optimize your performance. For example, it gives you the option to take notes, build spreadsheets, manage teams, and way more. But now Notion has introduced their new application called Notion.ai, which is a feature that has been added to the productivity and collaboration platform. It allows users to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to enhance their workflow and improve their experience on the platform. With Notion AI, users can write faster, think bigger, and augment their creativity. It's like having a digital assistant that can help you get more done in less time. The AI technology works behind the scenes to make you work on Notion easier, more efficient, and more fun. If you're already a Notion user, think of Notion AI as a new tool that can help you take your productivity to the next level. Notion is made for you to optimize your performance because Notion.ai gives you the option to take notes, build spreadsheets, manage teams, and more. And that's a wrap. The 5 best AI tools to revolutionize your business are now at your fingertips. From automating tedious tasks to maximizing efficiency, these tools are the power to transform the way you do business. So don't wait any longer. Take the first steps towards a smarter, more efficient future. Invest in AI and watch your business soar to new heights. Remember, the future is here, and AI is leading the charge. Embrace it and see your business reach new heights. So which of these 5 AI tools will you choose to revolutionize your business? The power is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you're interested to see more AI content, you can find more on our channel. Until next time, AI your way to business.